My name is Sanjay Ravishankar. I am a student from Carnegie Mellon, also a 2023 Congressional Hackathon 7.0 winner, and today I'm here to talk to you about accessibility in Congress. Does anyone here off the top of their head know what percentage of Americans are living with a disability? Anyone? All right, I'll give you the answer. It's about 28.7%. That's over 70 million people. Now, we have laws that require documents created by the government to be accessible to all individuals with disabilities. For example, Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act, and of course the Americans with Disabilities Act. However, laws don't enforce themselves. While we have made progress in improving accessibility, there are still big gaps. For example, the Government Accountability Office issued a report last year saying that 48% of federal agencies lack a structured accessibility program for their information and communication technologies. And this manifests itself in the form of inaccessible PDFs without any tag trees, images without alternative text, or more often just misleading or non-descriptive alternative text, broken or malformed links that don't lead anywhere, poor color contrast on websites, videos or audios without captions, websites that are inaccessible by keyboard, and lots of other problems. So this is where AccessGov comes in. AccessGov aims to be an AI solution that will take new congressional content from different sources. For example, Congress.gov, products from the Congressional Research Service, committee hearings, and a bunch of different sources of different data types. It's able to process them using a web crawler, rank how important they are, and establish a triage process so that we're able to fill in any gaps in accessibility using generative AI. For example, if a constituent complains about an inaccessible PDF, as we'll see on the next slide, this document will be able to be processed and made accessible. And we're able to do this using an automated WCAG or Web Content Accessibility Guidelines scan, and we're able to flag violations and update any tasks that need to be processed by humans in the loop. And of course, these documents are then published at the end. For example, if we find an inaccessible PDF, a constituent may download the report and mark it as inaccessible, or a crawler may discover this. Either way, the issues are then found by the generative AI and then fixed, and then the PDF is then republished to the platform where it once was, either by manual republication or an automated workflow, and now the report is accessible. And the dashboard that's available to all agencies that use AccessGov will be able to provide an accessibility score for each office, as well as trend lines and high-risk flags to be able to really fill in those accessibility gaps. If you guys are interested, I'd love to connect with you at the end of the session. And